Hi, I'm John, but you may know me by some of my other names. The Man, Big Brother, or my recent favorite, the Corporate Overlord. It's guys like me that are after your data and making a total mockery of your online privacy. And it's not just Big Brother you have to worry about. These days, everyone is watching. Meet Eddie. Ooh, whose profile are we looking at today, Eddie? Let's hit him with some ads. This is Tom. Luckily for him, he uses Winston. Winston is a hardware filter that protects your privacy online and keeps your information safe. Just install Winston between your modem and router, and you can retake your data and decide what you want to share with me and my buddy here. Tom set his up in minutes. Winston adds a layer of protection to all your devices. And thanks to Winston, Tom no longer has to worry about getting ads on his phone just because he talked about something.
How about Hawaiian pizza tonight?
Ooh, sounds good.
Isn't that creepy? And that precious smart TV? You used to watch your TV. Now your TV watches you. And Winston has its very own comprehensive dashboard. Dig into your network analytics to find out what exactly is being filtered, where it's coming from, and who's running it.
You know I can see you, right?
All right, guys, it's time to go. He has Winston now. So protect your family and your information with Winston.